So I'm really glad to hear that when you started off on the service desk, but looks like your manager there or supervisor noticed that you had some skills that they could benefit from, so they bumped you up to the sysadmin. With that EKS experience and AWS skills, that's some really good skills to have. However, I see that the pay is kind of low. So when I see things like EKS, which of course for those that may not know is Elastic Kubernetes Service, and all these AWS skills, I don't just see sysadmin, I see cloud engineer. And cloud engineer is going to pay you what you deserve. But what is typical in the company, right? Even if you jump to another position, they look at the salary or the wage that you got in the previous role, and then they bump you up using some sort of formula nobody knows, right? But if you really want to get a bump in your pay, it's probably going to be outside of the current company you're at, and it's not going to be in a sysadmin role. You need to tailor your resume for a cloud engineer and really lean in on that EKS experience, which is super in demand, right? This is containers, and especially if you can get a bit more AI and ML experience, you can leverage your EKS knowledge to help train ML models. And then that would be a part of an ML ops pipeline, which is a machine learning operations pipeline. So you got a great baseline. You just got to figure out how to package that up. And I think you could seriously bump up your pay.